What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy back once again, Rich Nice. Today we're going to talk about Big Bertha. I'm going to tell you some of the things that I've done to her, and let's get right into it. So this is a 2015 GMC Denali 3500 dually. It has a DSP switch, which gives you 5 different power levels. You can go from 30, 50, 75, 130, and 230 over stock. It has a CTS2 monitor in it. It's been tuned by EGR Diesel Performance. It still has a stock radio, but right here where these 2 brackets are, I have a piece of wood, and my 12-inch tablet slides in right here. My tablet also has internet. If you've seen the flash, it's the same tablet that sits in the flash. We have an old Beltec radar detector in it. Most of y'all have seen the inside of these things. Is a little junky. I apologize. As far as the stereo goes, I ripped out all the bows. Yes, I ripped out all the bows. Up here we have kicker 3.5-inch, and all the doors we have Alpine Type R. We have 6x9s up front, coaxials in the back, and then down here in the side of the console we have audio pipe super tweeters. Underneath the back seat we have 2 12-inch kicker CVRs. They're dual voice coil 4-ohm. Behind the seat, which you can't see, is a kicker ZR 750.4 and a Hyphonics Brutus 2000 watt amp that runs the subs. The 4-channel runs all the highs. Also behind the seat is a Soundstream nano amp that runs the super tweeters. As far as inside, that's pretty much it, other than it does have a TV in it that spins around, all that good stuff for my daughter for them long trips, so she doesn't bug us to death. The truck does have internet built into it already, and it is on. So let's take a trip outside and I'll explain some of the stuff that we've done outside. So this is considered a copper brown color according to the dealership. It has a 2-3 drop on it, 2 inches in the front, with keys for the torsion bars, and it has 3-inch shackles in the back drop. It sits on Peterbilt 24s that's been milled down on a 305 3524. Sure if you can see that, but there it is. Look, 3524. Again, it's done by EGR Diesel Performance, EFI Live. Underneath the hood is a SMB cold air intake. We deleted the DEF that used to be right here, the fuel nozzle. Underneath here used to be the tank. As you can see, it's gone. The DSP switch, you have to go inside the computer. There's a couple of spots in there where you got to put these 2 wires and plug them in. Not too hard. Also, here's the power wire for my stereo, 0 gauge. Dual batteries up front. Back here underneath you have the air dog. As soon as I find it, it's up here. You have your air dog, fuel pump, air blaster, air horns. You have a 5-inch Flow Pro full exhaust, no muffler, no Cadillac converter. As you can see, 5-inch exhaust all the way up to the front, to the downpipe of the turbo. In the bed, let me grab the key. As you can see, this is a Rectrax RE-Track slidable bed cover. You have your 5th hitch, and then you also have the compressor for the air horns, along with the 2-gallon tank. So I know I went kind of fast on this on Big Bertha, but I just want to give you guys a quick update on basically how she sits, what she looks like. Sitting pretty. So on Tune 5, which is 235 horsepower over stock, should I say 230 horsepower over stock, and it has almost 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. It'll have 645 horsepower to the rear wheel. In order to run that tune as your daily, you're gonna need to upgrade your fuel injectors. You probably could get away with the stock turbo that's on there, but my plan is to get a bigger turbo, get 100% over injectors on it so I can run that thing as my daily. I'm also going to have to build the transmission to hold all that power. If you ask why, just cause. So if you have more questions about it, like I said, I know it went over kind of fast, but it's a little hot out here. I just want to give you guys a quick update, give you guys another video. Next I'll be uploading a video on the S3 Audi up there, my son's car, and tell you all the different mods that it has. And it does have 401 horsepower. It's been dynoed all-wheel drive out of a 4-cylinder. So more to come on that on the next video. As always, like, subscribe, hit the bell so I can give you more notifications on the builds. And then after the S3, we'll go in and we'll do beast mode right here, the Hellcat. And then after that, we'll jump over to Ruby 2.0. And hopefully by then, I'll have some more mods or something else done to the flash, the slingshot in there, and we'll go back over that. So as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell. One love. Peace.